Ever thought of starting your own YouTube channel? The road to becoming a successful YouTuber involves more than just a camera and an idea. It's a journey that requires the right gear and strategic planning. So buckle up. We're about to dive into the essentials for starting and growing on YouTube. First and foremost, gear up with a good quality camera. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or a tutorial guru, a clear, crisp video is your ticket to viewer engagement. It could be a fancy DSLR, a compact mirrorless, or even a high-end smartphone. The key is to find a camera that fits both your content needs and budget. Stability, my friends, is not to be underestimated. A shaky video can be off-putting, and that's where tripod stands come into play. Look for stands that offer adjustable heights and a sturdy build. It's all about capturing those professional-looking shots. Next up, your editing hub, a reliable laptop. Make sure it has enough RAM, storage, and processing power to run your video editing software without a hitch. Remember, smooth editing leads to a smooth viewing experience. Audio, often overlooked, is a crucial part of your video. A good microphone can make all the difference. Shotgun lavalier or USB mic? Pick one that complements your content style. Now let's shed some light on, well, lighting. Good lighting can dramatically improve your video quality. Softboxes, ring lights, or LED panels can help you achieve well-lit shots, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your content. Moving beyond gear, you need a solid content strategy. Define your niche, know your audience, and determine what unique value you can offer. Consistency is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Next, we'll touch on SEO and marketing. By understanding the basics of SEO, you can make your videos more discoverable. Don't shy away from promoting your content across social media platforms and collaborating with other creators. Finally, keep an eye on your channel's performance with YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to audience retention, engagement metrics, and viewer feedback. This data can help you refine your content and grow your channel effectively. And there you have it. With the right gear and strategic insights, you're ready to embark on your YouTube journey. Remember, it's consistency, authenticity, and perseverance that pave the way to success. So go on, get started. Happy creating.